Now is available at McCarthy Cars, Toyota Rav-4, 16 plate 2016, metallic grey. Has front daylights, has front by xenon lights, has privacy rear glass. Car has reversing camera, rear parking sensors, electric tailgate, split folding rear seats, full black leather interiors, got sides and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX. Car has satellite navigation, got reversing camera, telephone, Bluetooth connection, DAB radio, 2-zone climate control, aircon, heated seats, automatic transmission, central cup holders, multifunction steering wheel. Thank you for watching.